Hey you guys, welcome back to another fun-filled video. Today I'm going to clean the glass top on my Whirlpool oven slash range. We're going to use Dawn power suds, not like your buddy Dawn, D-O-N, but D-A-W-N. And we're just going to put it on top of the range. And then we're going to use a Scotch-Brite zero scratch pad, like this, which is probably going to show backwards in the video, but anyway. We're just going to scrub the surface like this. Try to clean off all this caked on, baked on mess that we have here. And we're going to let that sit for, I don't know, about 15-20 minutes. All right, we're still scrubbing a little bit. It was pretty built up. My wife had to cook up some Filipino food, so here we go. Okay guys, so this is set about 15-18 minutes, something like that. We're going to go ahead and wipe off the surface. All right, and what you can do is, if you have some really build-on stuff, you want to make sure the surface is still wet with soap. And then you can take a razor blade, like this, or something similar, and just scrape off whatever's built up here. Super, super easy. That's going to make this shine like new. Showroom shine. All right. We'll just finish wiping it off right after that. And hopefully the wife is going to be happy. I hope. Okay, so I have the surface all cleaned off and rinsed. Right now I'm going to use invisible glass. Spray it over the top. And grab a paper towel, wipe it all off. And there you go. That is all to it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.